Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the icons of your folders inside of Windows 11. Now, it's very quick and straightforward. All we need to do is right-click on the folder on our desktop, come over to Properties, and then come over to the Customize tab at the top here. Now, down beneath folder icons, we can just select Change Icon, and inside of here, we'll have a bunch of different icons that we can choose from. Now, these aren't just the built-in images inside of Windows 11, so if there is anything inside of here that you want to change your icon to, then we simply set the icon and press OK. Click on Apply and then select OK. Now, as you can see, this icon has changed to this golden star. If you want a little bit more customization of the images that we can change these to, and to make it a little bit more exciting, then what you'll need to do is head over to an internet browser and then just head over to a search engine like Google. And then what you need to do is type into googlefreeicons.ico and hit enter. And as you can see, there's a bunch of websites down here where we can download free icon files. Now, the one that I like to use is this icon-icons.com. So I'm going to come over to here. And if you want to search for something in particular, you can do so. Say, for instance, I wanted a cat. And go ahead and search for that. And then just select the image that you want to use for your folder. Let's say that I wanted to use this one here. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then we need to change this to a ICO in the tab here. Click on Download ICO. That's going to go ahead and save to our Downloads folder up here. Then just come back over to your desktop, right-click on the folder again, come into Properties, come back over to Customize, click on Change Icon. This time come over to Browse, and you'll need to locate the ICO file that we just downloaded, which for me is going to be saved in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, it's this folder here. So I'm just going to double click on that icon file, make sure the image is selected and hit OK. Click on Apply, OK. And now as you can see, my image has now changed to this one that we just selected here. And it's literally as simple as that, guys. That's how you change your folder icon inside of Windows 11. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.